So this is leave on sale until January 2000. So I was 9 years old when this magazine came out. So yeah, I was in a corner playing Nintendo 64 when this magazine came out, completely unaware. Switch to Penguin Computing. Sick of crashing. I like that. The crash test dummy. Penguincomputing.com. Cisco, Amazon, ebook systems. Shouldn't your e-site? I don't remember the term e-site. Maybe I was just unaware. Same basic parts, differences. One won't come back to haunt you at 3 a.m. I guess it's just prepared better, like haunt you at 3 a.m. like you get sick. I guess that's what it means. You don't have to run Windows to play games on your Linux box. Gaming guru Mike Lutton steps you through the process of choosing the right hardware or the right software, and dishes out tips and tricks for fan favorites such as Kingpin. I've never heard of Kingpin, and Quake 3. Is this Kingpin? Interesting. Okay. So I mean, they were marketing this as just like a fully fledged alternative to Windows. It's like, here's your word processor. You don't need Microsoft Word. Host your site on Linux. Makes sense. $20 a month. But back then, $20 a month for like a small business, that's not bad, especially with what traffic it would bring. 50 megabytes of disk space, 2 gigabytes of traffic a month. Whew. So it came with a distro in the magazine that you could try out. That's pretty sick, actually. And it has a guide in there on how to install it. I miss magazines with discs in them. I used to get the Xbox magazine, and it would always come with a demo disc. This is a game that I actually got from one of those old magazines that had discs in them. This was the first time I played one of my favorite sports games of all time, NBA Street Volume 2. It came with a demo in Xbox magazine. I'll never forget. But yeah, small sidetrack. I miss that. I miss getting a magazine and getting, like, you get your money's worth. We got some more servers. We got some more Linus. He is the superstar, the star boy. Brought to you by the letter X, as in X Windows running Window Maker, Window Manager, and GNOME as an add-on package. May the open source be with you. Come on, man. 99? They were cooking like that in 99? Distribution Wars, the Phantom Menace. If you can't run it, emulate it. This is a fun little magazine. Why should Bill Gates give a hoot? Linux movement is picking up steam, lots of steam. They're far from perfect and they can't accurately run every game, but emulation programs for Linux may become a force to be reckoned with. Boy, did you not lie. 6 issues, 6 CD-ROMs for $29. Night at the Proxbury 2. There's some good writers, man. There are some clever writers. This is me right now, going all in. He's got it hanging from his mouth. I just noticed that. That dude is freaky. I need a terminal emulator. Oh, okay. Dang. See, I find this stuff convenient now. I can only imagine how mind-blowing it was in 99. Probably saved people so much time. Okay, so this is the gaming stuff. So what are we rocking with here? What are we rocking with? I don't remember any of this stuff. Like I said, I was 9 years old playing Nintendo 64. I didn't even know how people gamed on computers. Yeah, they were gaming. They were gaming back then on Linux, man. Quake probably ran really well on Linux. Okay, so this is Kingpin. I never played this either. Oh, it's a Quake mod. Okay, nice. Console emulators. X-MAME. Wow, they had MAME in 99? I mean, I assumed emulation existed back then, but I didn't know like MAME itself was existing back then. And then they were already emulating NES. Okay, so here's the how-to on how to install. That's more detailed than a lot of people's how-tos today. Get your nice Linux desktop. You can still play your solitaire. I want this on a shirt for real. I'm not gonna steal it though. I'm not gonna steal it. I'm gonna do something heavily inspired by it. I'm not gonna just completely grip it and steal it. I like how it looks. I want to try and capture like this retro aesthetic. Red Hat 6. Oh boy, talk to me. It looks good. That's a good clean desktop for back then. That looks like a normal person wouldn't be able to tell that from Windows back then. Server stuff. GIMP Let's go. GIMP 1.0, VMware 1.0. Run your Windows VM inside your Linux distro. Let's go. Terminator, if that's the same one. I love that. Oh no, this is just the name of the section. Okay, never mind. I know there's a terminal application called Terminator. I got excited for a second. Wow, so this is like a little glossary. Like you could learn, this is like an intro to Linux class right here. Like a little bit of vocab. Look, wine. Yeah, look at that. Good evening, Mr. Gates. I'll be your server today. Oh man, I like this. Oh yeah, I love the art in this. I gotta grip some of this art. Either directly reference it, or I gotta just take this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I need this as like a printout. I need it on my wall, something. That's just too cool. If you're into this sort of thing, let me know. If you got any other recommendations, any other magazines like this that I can check out on like Internet Archives, let me know. This is fun, man. I want to do more of this. But until next time, peace.